Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group secure and make sure only approved members can join, the new update makes it easier than ever to enable join request approval. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set this up on the Telegram app for PC. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change these settings, so double-check your role if you don't see the options mentioned. At the top right of your group chat window, click on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This is where you control all the important settings for your group. Inside the Management menu, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to see all the ways people can join your group. Now you have two options. If you want to update an existing invite link, simply right-click on the link and choose Edit. If you'd rather create a new link specifically for join requests, click on Create a New Link. Here comes the crucial step. In the link settings, find the option labeled Request Admin Approval. Toggle this setting on. This means that anyone who tries to join your group using this link will have to request approval, and only admins can accept or decline those requests. Once you've enabled the approval setting, click Create or Save to generate your new invite link. Then hit Done to finish up. That's it. Now, whenever someone tries to join your group using this link, you'll receive a notification and can approve or deny their request. This gives you full control over who becomes a member, helping you keep your group safe and focused. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other group admins who want to keep their Telegram communities secure.